I wanted to make a video to help with sequencing different units. As you can see here, I have several of the new Firefly units, and I have labeled them using packing tape, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. I've also put spent E-matches in the queues corresponding to their number. So 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, and so on. I've also labeled all my units 1 through 13. I used to use names, but I feel that numbers are easier to work with. Okay, so now we'll go to the app. I've turned my Fireflies on in random order, and we'll see how they load. You can see I've created a show, and when it automatically orders the Fireflies, they're not in the correct order. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 1, 8, 4, right, 6. So first thing I need to do is make sure everything's named right, and then reorder it. So you go back to manual firing, and you'll see I've you can see where I put the cues in, where 1 is 1 1, and then you go down, 4 has 4, and then right is on 5. So right should be unit number 5. And so we'll go back and we'll change the name of that to unit number 5. So you just go down, you click on it, find right, click on right, delete the name, and rename it to 5. You want to be really careful when you're in here not to accidentally hit log out, because if you click log out, it will delete the show that you've been working on. And if you don't have a backup, then you'll lose it. I'll go back, and you can see there's a couple more that are not named right. We have mortar and we have left. So mortar is 3 and left is 2. So I'll go back and I'll change the names of mortar to 3 and left to 2. Same as before. So the nice thing is this, it doesn't really matter what order you turn your fireflies on in, because if you've named them correctly and you know what order they're supposed to be in, you can go back, and once you put them in order, you can just reorganize the order by just clicking and dragging upward. So now I'll get them back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back in the show, and you see that it automatically puts them in the order that you chose. So now it's correct: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.